Can you possibly imagine that a tiny sample of your skin cells could grow into a living human brain? This is no longer science fiction but a mind-blowing biological reality taking place today. Scientists have successfully transformed human skin cells into living functional neurons in Petri dishes. These biological structures are known as brain organoids and they emit continuous electrical signals. They live inside specialized incubators kept at 98 degrees Fahrenheit. There oscillating electrical waves closely mirror the brain activity of premature newborn infants. While the entire tech world debates artificial intelligence, scientists are programming living tissue. These neurons are trained using precise electrical pulses and targeted hits of dopamine. Researchers are firmly betting that true long-term intelligence will be biological rather than artificial. This groundbreaking revolution is headquartered at the University of California, San Diego. Researchers in these laboratories grow brain organoids by the tens of thousands. The moment these human neurons from the immediately reach out to connect with each other, scientists have even resurrected ancient genetic code to grow Neanderthal-like neural tissue. Payloads of living brain organoids have been rocketed to the International Space Station. Dr. Alison Motteri studies these organoids to unlock the hidden mysteries of autism. The entire procurement process is non-invasive, requiring only a simple blood or skin sample. Adult cells are converted into pluripotent stem cells capable of becoming functional neurons. This unbelievable cellular magic unfolds every single day inside modern biotechnology labs. A single chia seed-sized organoid contains roughly 5 million living biological cells. Over 2,500,000 of those are fully active firing neurons. That cellular density equals the entire brain capacity of a common honeybee. From a strict legal standpoint, these lab-grown organoids possess no formal legal rights. Yet a profound philosophical question arises regarding whether these dish-bound cells experience sentience. If an entity spent its entire existence inside a glass dish, what would consciousness feel like? When scientists stimulate these organoids, these electrical currents, they actively respond and adapt. They demonstrate primitive memory and begin predicting future electrical inputs. This proves that living biological matter can be programmed like computer code. Over in Melbourne, Australia, a startup called Cortical Labs created a biological microchip. They cultured living human neurons directly onto an array of 80,000 electrodes. This biological computing unit is named the CL1 and resembles a sleek toaster. Its specialized life support system keeps 1 million human neurons alive for 6 full months. Their ultimate commercial goal is becoming the NVIDIA of living neural hardware. These wetware microchips consume exponentially less power than massive silicon server farms. Biological neural networks possess inherent adaptability, self-repair, and infinite longevity. This marks a monumental paradigm shift in computer science and hardware design. In 2022, researchers successfully taught these living human neurons to play Pong. They rewarded correct pedal hits with structured pulses and punished misses with chaos. The neurons reorganized themselves to minimize chaotic feedback and master the gameplay. It took less than 5 minutes for the biological culture to understand the rules. Scientists have recently leveled up these living cells to play the classic shooter dome that conclusively demonstrates that organoids interact dynamically with visual environments. This is not software simulation, but real-time biological learning and intelligence. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University officially christened this field organoid intelligence. They are building scalable biological platforms to rival traditional silicon AI. Engineers are developing artificial blood vessels to supply growing organoids with vital nutrients without adequate vascular perfusion. Organoids develop necrotic cores and suffocate. Bioengineers are now breaking through the 5 mm size barrier toward 1 cm. A 1 cm organoid matches the total cellular scale of a full mouse brain. This technological leap will completely redefine biological computing and neuroscience. The most immediate application lies in revolutionary pharmaceutical discovery and disease modeling. Roughly 95% of neuropsychiatric drugs fail during human clinical trials. Treatment for Alzheimer's, depression, and epilepsy, and can now be tested on living human cells. This will eliminate the need of painful and unreliable animal testing. The National Institutes of Health has officially shifted funding away from exclusive animal models. $87 million is following on to standardized organoid research centers. This represents a historic win for both medical science and animal welfare. As organoids scale, larger, profound moral and bioethical dilemmas inevitably emerge. What happens if these biological chips develop genuine subjective capacity for suffering? Are we unwittingly creating millions of conscious entities trapped inside laboratory dishes? Science writer Philip Ball had a brain organoid grown from his own skin cells. Looking through the microscope, he felt an eerie chill watching his tissue pulse. Wow, his own genetic material was firing electrical signals independent of its conscious self. This blurs of fundamental lines separating living human beings from inanimate objects. We stand at a monumental crossroad shaping the future of global computation. One path relies on massive silicon chips requiring vast energy and financial resources. The other path follows billions of years of biological evolution through living wetware. Nature has already perfected efficient intelligence using organic biological neurons. Biological neuron architecture is poised to conquer the ultimate future of computing. Share your thoughts on biological computing in the comments below right now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to support our channel growth. Join the frontier of AI revolution.